Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today, we explore the causative verb structure called get something done. This structure is used when you want to talk about someone else doing something for you. It is similar to have something done and is very useful for everyday English conversations. The basic structure is get plus an object plus the past participle form of a verb. For example, get your car repaired. This is similar to have plus an object plus the past participle, like have your car repaired. Both structures are used to say someone else does something for you. Here are some examples. She got her hair cut. I got my car repaired. They got their driveway paved. You can also use get plus object plus to plus a verb like I got him to sign the papers or she got her assistant to call the client. These patterns let you show that another person is doing the action. Use get something done when someone does a service for you, often for payment, such as I got my car repaired or she got her nails done. You can also use get something done to show you caused something to happen or are responsible for it, even if you did not do it yourself. For example, he got his wallet stolen or we got the package delivered. Get something done is more informal. You might say, I got my phone fixed, which can emphasize the effort or action. Have something done is a little more formal and often emphasizes the result, like I had my phone fixed or she had the work completed. Both are correct, but get is more common in speech. People use the get something done pattern for many everyday situations. In health and personal care, for example, I got my teeth cleaned at the dentist or she got her hair colored last week. For repairs and services, you might say, we got the roof repaired before winter or they got their car serviced yesterday. It also works for other tasks, such as, I got my jacket dry cleaned, or he got his application sent to the university. You can use get something done in many tenses. For the present tense, say, I get my car washed. For the past, I got my car washed. For the present perfect, I have got my car washed. In the future, say, I will get my car washed. You can also say, I am getting my house painted, for continuous tense, or I would get my car washed for the conditional. This makes the pattern flexible for many different times. Be careful with the verb form. You must use the past participle, for example, I got my car repaired, not I got my car repair. Do not forget the object. You should say, I got my homework done, not I got done my homework. When telling someone to do something, add the word to before the verb like, I got him to call the office, not, I got him call the office. Remember, the structure is get plus object plus past participle. Use it when someone else performs a service, or when you cause an action to happen. Get is similar to have, but is more informal and focuses on the action. You will hear this pattern often in conversations about repairs, personal care, and tasks. Practice using get something done to become more confident in real-life situations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.